I get excited when I can share about APT Manufacturing. We are capable of solving so many manufacturing problems under one roof. For over 25 years, we've really enjoyed building relationships and working with our customers to make their business better. This is the essence of manufacturing. Everyone coming together to solve problems with a figure-it-out mentality.
In machine building and robotics, we focus on modular case packing and palletizing. We have pre-engineered solutions as well as custom integrated systems. We look for partnerships, not really the traditional customer-vendor relationship. We want to keep the communication lines open and free, and we want to be there for you. That's what we call the APT experience.
What really makes our equipment unique is the operator interface and the control systems we put in place. We put a lot of time and effort into our HMI applications and making it as intuitive and as user-friendly as possible.
We have a tool room that handles parts and repairs for area manufacturers. We have CNC turning and milling operations with 5-axis live tooling capabilities. We also specialize in low to mid-volume high-mix production. We have a welding and fabricating department. We can build to print, run production, laser cutting, bending, and powder coat finishing. We are doers, we are problem solvers, and we're going to take care of the customers.
APT has partnered with FANUC America's CERT program to put industrial training equipment in schools all across the United States.
So at APT, we don't build educational equipment, we build industrial equipment for education. You will see absolutely no differences between the hardware being used, the software, the programming methodologies, the robots on there. It truly is industrial equipment.
At APT, we're very passionate about training. We can't call our business successful unless we're passing the craft down to the next generation.
Education's a passion of mine. I always thought I'd either be a robot programmer or a teacher. At APT, I actually get to do both.
Our company is built to solve your problems. As a family-owned business, we care about making your operation better.